Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial where I will show you how to set up the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Step 1. Attach the tripod to the base of the gimbal. This will allow you to stabilize the gimbal while you attach your phone. Step 2. Loosen the lock on the arm of the mount. This will allow you to turn the mount horizontally. You'll also need to loosen the lock on the back of the phone mount. This will allow you to open the clamp and attach your phone. Step 3. Attach your phone by opening the clamp and gently pushing in your phone. Step 4. Then tighten both of the locks while holding on to your phone. Step 5. Now carefully release your phone and press the power button. The gimbal is now ready to be used. If you would like to use the controls on the gimbal, you will need to download the Zplay app on your phone. Once you have downloaded the app, choose your gimbal, in this case the Smooth 4. Click Connect Now. You'll see it searching for nearby devices, then connecting. Click Enter Now. You're now ready to use the controls on the gimbal.